Hi, this is Anu and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. I am fighting the flu, but I am at the end, so everything is looking a little brighter now. But today is about the giveaway number 8. I cannot believe it. We're getting close to giveaway number 10. December is flying by, and before you know it, it's going to be 2019, and I barely get used to 2018, and we have to change already. I know it's cliche, but it's crazy how fast time flies, right? Is it just me? It's getting faster and faster as I get older. But anyway, enough blah blah. So those are the two giveaways for this number 8. This is right here for YouTube, and right there this is for Instagram. And to participate in my giveaway, you need to, for the YouTube one, be subscribed to my channel and write a comment down below right here. That's all you need to do. And then for my Instagram followers, of course you have to follow me on Instagram. And today there are going to be Christmas emojis because we are really close to Christmas. So put Christmas emojis under the Instagram, under that little picture there, and then that's it. Just like that, you have entered the giveaway, and I will choose the winner randomly as usual. You will be contacted directly by me, so if you haven't been contacted by now for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 giveaway, that means that you haven't been chosen, but there will be many more. And yeah, so today is that number 8. If you're not subscribed to my channel, don't hesitate to do so. It's totally free, and I hope you have liked the tutorial, my hooded cardigan that I posted yesterday, and of course the long version will be posted this week. So yeah, hope everything's doing well. Love you and see you next time. Happy crochet. Bye, and good luck for the giveaway.